Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Warning, Shiba Inu holders brace for an $8.9 trillion earthquake. SHIB News. As the crypto community keeps a close eye on Shibarium's launch, its beta version's current stats look satisfactory. As per the official website, Shibarium has a total of 16 validators. Shibarium's total stake exceeds 505 million BONE, while the total reward distributed crossed 119 million BONE. In this video, we will talk about warning, Shiba Inu holders brace for an $8.9 trillion earthquake. SHIB News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. SHIB's response to the Shibarium launch update was not as expected. According to CoinMarketCap, SHIB's price declined by more than 2% in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, SHIB was trading at $0.000008439, with a market capitalization of over $4.9 billion. However, a look at SHIB's on-chain metrics gave some hope for better days ahead. As per CryptoQuant, SHIB's exchange reserve was declining. A decline in the metric indicates that the meme coin was not under selling pressure, which is a bullish signal. Additionally, as were the number of transactions, SHIB's daily active addresses were also high. Sentiment's chart revealed that SHIB's exchange outflow spiked lately. Nonetheless, SHIB's MVRV ratio was substantially down, which is generally bearish. It was also interesting to see that SHIB remained a topic of discussion in the crypto space. This was evident from its relatively high social volume. Shiba Inu has been caught in a bearish storm as the ongoing market-wide turmoil and the asset's extensive supply have impeded another rally similar to what was observed in 2021. However, some proponents have continued to hope for a surge to $0.001 or even $0.01 in the foreseeable future. Most investors anticipating this price surge are looking to make up for the opportunity lost during the previous life-changing rally. Per data from CoinGecko, SHIB rallied from $0.000001093 in February 2021 to $0.0008190 in October of the same year, marking a 749,597% increase within 8 months. This turned a $134 investment into $1 million. Investors hopeful of another opportunity to rake in such an impressive return on investment (ROI) continue anticipating a similar price surge. The asset would need to delete 3 or 4 more zeros from its current price to stage such an impressive rally this time. Shiba Inu is currently trading for $0.000000854. To attain a price of $0.01, the asset would need to surge by 1,169 times. If SHIB can pull off such a feat, an investor would need to invest a little above $855.4 at this point to rake in $1 million. Similarly, one would need $8,554 to make $1 million if the asset can only hit $0.001. However, the important question is whether the asset can carry out such a rally, given its current position and the extensive circulating supply. Shiba Inu's previous life-changing rally was majorly propelled by the incineration of 410 trillion tokens, carried out by Vitalik Buterin in May 2021. The asset's current supply makes a rally to $0.01 impossible. Consequently, the Shiba Inu community has championed several initiatives to reduce the circulating supply. Independent projects within the community, such as Blaze Token and Koyo Token, have also contributed immensely to the Burn initiative. With all hands on deck to address the asset's supply problem, the community is looking to welcome projects such as Shibarium, ShibaSwap 2.0, and Shiba Inu Metaverse, which should assist in introducing more utility to the ecosystem and bolster burns. If the adoption rates of these projects are significantly high, the asset's circulating supply of 574.8 trillion could be drastically reduced. This might give SHIB a chance to aim for $0.001 or $0.01. However, it's important to note that this should not be considered financial advice, and the asset's price trajectory can never be accurately predicted. The Shiba Inu price has barely moved in the past 24 hours, with its current level of $0.000000850, representing a 2% drop in the last 7 days, amid an uncertain period for the cryptocurrency market. SHIB is also down by 19% in the past month, but up by 5% since the beginning of the year, a period that has provided many major cryptocurrencies with much bigger gains. However, despite its inertia over the past day, SHIB is actually up by 1% from a low recorded yesterday, suggesting that the altcoin may be on the brink of regaining some much-needed momentum. And with the launch of the long-awaited Shibarium Layer 2 network, SHIB could indeed have some significant rallies in store in the coming weeks, with the coin looking as though it has reached a bottom. SHIB's chart also suggests that it's gradually accumulating some momentum, with its relative strength index rising to 50 after a day or so spent around or just under 30, which indicates overselling. On top of this, SHIB's 30-day moving average, yellow, has seemingly reached a bottom, with its flattening out after several days of descent, giving the impression of an incoming rebound. Likewise, it's encouraging to note that the altcoin's support level is incrementally rising, meaning that SHIB's position is consolidating and strengthening again after its recent falls. As far as fundamentals go, there's nothing really that explains SHIB's minor recovery in the past couple of days. However, it's worth pointing out that the cryptocurrency market as a whole has recorded a 1% gain in the past 24 hours. Such a fragile recovery could be wiped out if the US ends up defaulting on its debt, with the US Congress and the White House having a deadline of June the 1st to raise its debt ceiling. Otherwise, it will miss out on repayments. Such a default would have a big negative impact on the cryptocurrency market, including SHIB, which has seen a less vigorous recovery in the past months than other major tokens. However, the medium and long-term picture for SHIB does arguably look pretty good, given that it has the launches of Shibarium and the SHIB the Metaverse to look forward to. According to developers working on Shibarium, Layer 2 should see its full launch at one point, from now until the end of August. While this is a somewhat vague timeline, the arrival of Shibarium will make Shiba Inu considerably more attractive as a platform for dApps and DeFi. As a Layer 2 network, it will provide cheaper and faster transactions to Shiba Inu, which, as an ERC20 token, has sometimes suffered from Ethereum's notoriously high fees. According to recent data, the Shibarium testnet has passed 10 million transactions. At the latest count, it stood at just over 12 million. This indicates considerable interest in the Layer 2 network, suggesting that there may be a significant expansion in Shiba Inu dApps and projects once it has its full launch. Just as bullishly, Shibarium will also result in an increase in the burning of SHIB, meaning that its supply will decline and its price could rise in parallel. This all suggests that SHIB could be massively undervalued at the moment and that the second half of the year may bring some big rallies for the meme token. Such rallies may also be amplified if SHIB the Metaverse also launches towards the end of 2023, with the Metaverse platform revealing a number of updates in recent weeks as it undergoes steady development. When launched, it will feature just over 100,000 virtual plots of land that can be owned as NFTs, as well as a variety of different districts and games. Despite a relative lack of details, anticipation for the platform remains sky-high, with the eventual launch likely to result in big rallies for SHIB as well as for sister tokens, Bone and Leash. From its current price of $0.000000851, SHIB could easily rise back to $0.00001 or $0.00002 in the next few weeks, with the launch of Shibarium potentially pushing it as high as $0.00005. A large Shiba Inu whale that had been dormant for over 7 months has relocated an eye-popping sum of nearly 500 billion SHIB tokens to the declining cryptocurrency exchange Hotbit, presumably to sell the tokens after making a significant profit with them. Hotbit has notably announced its halting operations earlier this month and asked its users to withdraw their tokens before June 21st. The firm said its operating conditions deteriorated following an investigation into a former member of its team that forced it to stop business for weeks. The SHIB whale moved 499.6 billion tokens to Hotbit after being dormant for over 7 months, with the transaction valued at a rate of $0.0000085 per SHIB token or $4.24 million. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.